Hey guys, welcome back to my reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey, so I have another recommendation from someone. This is Richard and Zabdiel video together. So I believe it's pronounced Rich DL. So let's see this compilation that this person. Oh, the fans. The CNCO fans. Oh, you guys kill me. Ooh.
Si te vas a ir, no me dejes nada. Llévate tus risas, tus caricias y tu voz. Si no vas a volver, llévate tu mirada, la que me recuerda que me amaste un día. No te dije.
Not gonna sing too much in my video, get me copyrighted. We ain't gonna be doing that. Oh, it's like two brothers. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, who? Ooh. You will get me copyrighted. Oh, very touchy. You know, very comfortable with themselves. You know, they're in a group together. They've been together for like 5+ years now. You know, it's okay. Oh, these CNC owners, you guys are stretching. Oh, still don't want kids. Oh, she looking at Zabdiel like she knows him. Like I seen you a lot. No comment. Oh, Mr. Beauty of being in a group together. Oh, you know, like doing like group. Oh no, that's a bad example. Ooh, let's sip in the songs. Oh, I love to see that tattoo on Richard. Thank God I'm gonna be like, hey, It's just like two brothers. You know, I guess Richard kind of bring it out of Zabdiel a little bit, because Zabdiel, when he first started the group, he's more like a reserved type of person to me. So, you know, Richard brings that out of him, like, no, do feel comfortable, do what you want to do, you know, things like that. And Richard comes from a family where he have brothers and, you know, family. So, you know, it's like a big brother stuff. Oh, too close, but oh, that's so sweet. That is so sweet. So thanks to the person who recommended the reaction to that between the video with Richard and Zabdiel. Rich DL, someone's really, you CNC owners, you guys really do amuse me and keep me up to date. I really do appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. So that was a video with Baby Daddy Puerto Rican, Zabdiel, and Baby Daddy Richard. So right to the video, so I'm happy I finally got to it. You know, I love me some Zabdiel, so but to me, I think it's like a brotherly love between the two members. You know, brotherly love. Like I said before, you know, Richard kind of bring out more personality within Zabdiel, because when I first seen Zabdiel start with the group until now, he's a little bit more reserved, but which is very good. So, but some of you CNC owners and some of you fans are really stretching, but I'm here for it. Send it to me. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Bye.